Hello and welcome to the CCNP Routing and Switching course offered by SimplyLearn. The last lesson focused on troubleshooting router or switch performance. In this lesson, we will focus on troubleshooting IPv4 routing. Let us begin with the objectives of the lesson in the next slide. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to troubleshoot IPv4 interior gateway protocols, troubleshoot OSPF, troubleshoot border gateway protocol. Let us start our discussion with general routing protocol troubleshooting. The command Show IP Protocols provides an overview of routing protocols. It displays how routing protocols are configured. For example, it indicates if auto summary is enabled. This is one of the few commands that displays which interfaces are configured as passive. In addition, the command shows which networks are being advertised. Also, it can be used to check if process IDs or autonomous system numbers match between routers. In the following slide, let us look into troubleshooting neighbor adjacencies. Both OSPF and EIGRP have commands to list neighbors. Note that the OSPF command uses the singular term neighbor, while the EIGRP command uses the plural of the word neighbor. If a neighbor does not appear on the output, use the ping command to check if the neighbor's interface is up. Also, examine if all neighbor requirements are met. Accomplish this with the show interface commands, among others, for the particular routing protocol. You can find all the interfaces that are receiving messages for a particular routing protocol by pinging the multicast address of that particular protocol. Look at the example given on the slide. In the next slide, let us focus on troubleshooting routing problems. If a route is missing from the routing table, there are some items to check. Ensure there are no ACLs blocking the routing traffic by issuing the Show Access Lists command. Check if Layer 3 path control tools are being used. Route maps, distribute lists, and offset lists can also block traffic. The Show Run command can be used to verify this. If the traceroute command reveals that packets are not taking the correct routes, check the default route with the Show IP Route command. In the next slide, let us look at distribution issues.